Hello, how to solve this problem? This is x squared divided by 49 equals 49 divided by x squared. So we can cross multiply. So x squared multiply x squared, and this equals 49. We multiply 49. So from here, x squared will raise to the power of 2 equals 49 raised to the power of 2, because this simply means this and this means this. So I can move this over here. Of x squared raised to the power of 2 minus 49 raised to the power of 2 equals 0. Power 2, and minus. I can apply difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. And a is x squared, while b is 49. So for a minus b, we have x squared minus 49 times x squared plus 49 equals 0. Let's equate each of them to 0. Plot x squared minus 49 equals 0, or we have x squared plus 49 equals 0. So let's solve these individual equations. We can have x squared equals 49. Moving this over here, and from here, I solve for x by taking the square roots. This eliminate this. I have x equals, this is plus or minus, this is 7. That means we have two values for x here. x1 equals 7. x2 equals negative 7. For this other one here, I move this over here. Of x squared equals negative 49. I take the square root of the part of this equation. This cancel this. I have x equals, this is square root of negative 1 times square root of 49. This equals square root of negative 1 is I times, this is plus or minus 7. So from here we have x equals, we can say plus or minus I times 7. So my x3 will be I7, and x4 will be negative I times 7. So these are the two complex values, and also these are the two real values for x, making it 4 values or 4 solutions. So let's verify for each of the solutions. x1 equals 7, x2 equals negative 7, x3 equals I times 7, and x4 equals negative I times 7. And the question remains the same. X squared divided by 49 equals 49 divided by x squared. So let's start with when x equals 7. So this is 7 squared divided by 49 equals 49 divided by 7 squared. So from here, 7 squared is 49 divided by 49 equals 49 divided by this is 49 as well. This eliminates this once, this eliminates this once. That has satisfied the solution or the equation of x equals -7 x squared divided by 49 equals 49 divided by x squared. Substituting -7 for x, I have -7 power 2 divided by 49 equals 49 divided by -7 power 2. So from here, -7 power 2, this is 49. Because negative power 2 is positive, so this 49 divided by 49 here equals this also is 49 divided by negative power 2 is 49, 7 power 2 is negative power 2 is positive, 7 power 2 is 49, so this is 49 as well. This and this cancel out, this and this cancel out. That means 1 equals 1. Let's consider the complex values. So we start with x3, that is x3 equals I times 7. This was x2. And the previous one was x1. So x squared divided by 49 equals 49 divided by x squared. This for x, we have I times 7 power 2 divided by 49 equals 49 divided by this power 2. So I can decide to distribute this to each of the terms. That means I squared times 7 squared divided by 49 equals 49 divided by I squared times 7 squared. So from here, we have I squared. Remember, square root of -1 equals I. Say if you take the squares, this cancel this, we have -1 equals I squared. So this is -1 times 7 squared. That is 49 divided by 49. Plus 49 divided by this is -1 times 49. So from here, -1 times 49, -49 divided by 49 equals 49 divided by -49. So this divide this, we have -1 equals this divide this, we have 1 over -1, which is the same thing as -1. -1, -1, that's correct. So you consider the last solution, which is -I times 7. X squared divided by 49 equals 49 divided by x squared. We substitute this for x squared. -I times 7 power 2 divided by 49 equals 49 divided by -I times 7 power 2. We also distribute this exponent to each of the terms there. So the first one will be, we have -I to the power of 2 times 7 power 2 divided by 49 equals 49 divided by -I to the power of 2 times 7 power 2. And from here, don't forget the fact that Negative raised to the power of 2 is positive. So this is just like writing I squared times 7 squared divided by 49 equals 49 divided by I squared times 7 squared, because negative raised to the power of 2 is positive. And remember, I squared is -1. So this simply means this is -1 times 49 divided by 49 equals 49 divided by -1 times 49. This will give us -49 divided by 49 equals 49 divided by -49. So from here, this and this we have -1 equals this, and this we have 1 over -1, which equals -1 as well. So this also has satisfied the equation, guys. So this is it. And this is how you solve the exponential problem and finding all the values and verifying all the values as well. So that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye. That means all these solutions here are correct.